Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Been a while since I've done an unboxing video, but I showed you my Whitney punch the other day, but I didn't have that shipped in, so this particular item's been shipped in, and it's something that somebody said on the forum a while back that I needed to have one of these. You know, but you're always trying to shop price, at least I am. I only got a limited budget, so I'm gonna shop to the best of my ability, and that may or may be a gift to some people, maybe not to others, but get a look at this here new acquisition. So, little bubble wrap, cut a couple straps, and see what we got. I think this is going to be a game changer for my fabrication, or at least in addition to having the benchtop English wheel and then the bead roller, and with this arrival, a shrinker stretcher. So I got these, I think, at a pretty decent deal, and you know, right now everything is going up in price. Everything that comes from China gets more and more expensive. So I was looking, I see a lot of these things 175, 180 bucks on eBay. They get kind of expensive. You know, looks like I got an Allen wrench, a couple handles. We'll set that off the side, box out of the way for the time being. Set the instructions off the side, a couple handles, Allen wrenches for changing the dies. And let's take a look at this. So these were $104 free shipping. So you got the shrinker and the stretcher, and so I'm looking forward to using these two items. I think they're going to be a pretty neat addition to the toolkit, and I know I still got a few panels to make here and there, and so they'll probably be well used, and then when I get on to the next project. So, but they pretty much all the same as what everybody else has got. So anyways, just wanted to take a minute or two and show you what I just came in the mail. Take it easy, guys. Talk to you later.